Hey collectors, welcome back to daily episodes of Y Team Hot Wheels. In this episode, let's check out new upcomings by Hot Wheels, some mini GTs and many more. So our first car is the all-new upcoming RLC car, has a 2021 Pagani Huayra R. Our second car is a 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. Our third car is a Hot Wheels Dollar Tree, has a 1967 Camaro. The all-new Hot Wheels ZAMAC car has a 1985 Honda CRX. A Hot Wheels 2026 Mixed JK Super Treasure Hunt has a Lotus Sport Elise. The diecast stock has released new models, has a must-add limited edition for the Toyota Anno fans. So check out a sneak peek of these cars. Now let's check out a complete lineups of the all-new upcoming models by Mini GT, Kayadu House and BBR. So check out a sneak peek of these lineups. A Liberty 64 models presents a Ford Mustang Cling Kit, color of car zombie style, made from diecast, releasing between April and July 2026. A Rhino Models presents a Bugatti Bolide. Color of a car: light blue, purple, red and blue. Limited up to 499 each color, made from die-cast. This model is released and available with sailors. A Micro Turbo presents a Honda NSX race car. Color of a car: metallic red, made from die-cast. Releasing on April. A CM Models presents a diorama set 01 as a Pagani Huayra dry carbon diorama set, has a Nürburgring lap time model specific water slide decal. Releasing on May 2026. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.